Okay, welcome back, YouTubers. It's a real nice morning. Finally, we got rid of the remnants of that hurricane. I'm not sure the name. Ida, it might be. But anyway, while that was going on, I really couldn't do much outside, so I come in the barn here, and if you remember, quite a way back, months ago, that I was working on this, and I just happened to come out. I bought shocks for it finally, and I got them mounted, so I'll show you how that looks now. And there's got the shocks on. They really work well. I had to buy new ones, ones that weren't so strong. And then you can see I put a floor bottoms in these here so I could put toes and stuff in. I don't know how well you can see that, but anyway, at least I got somewhere with that. And that's it for that for now. Underneath, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do now. I don't know. I just might make places to put bigger items like grinders, drills, things like that. But anyway, that's going to be it for now. And next time you see me, I'll be down at the sawmill shed, and I want to start getting ready to pour concrete pads for my sawmill, so, which is sitting in the back here. So anyway, I'll get back to you later. Okay, morning, YouTubers. Down here at the sawmill, just like I promised. And what I'm going to do today is I want to lay out for my sawmill to set in here. I got to pour 6 pillars, 6 pads for my outriggers. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is, I got to clear this stuff out, get this out, just get these sheets out of here, get that out of there, and then I've got to mark off where my sawmill is going to go and measure out the pads. I have a blueprint for the outriggers on the sawmill, and it's hopefully it's going to work out fine. So I'm going to get at it. I'll get back to you when I start doing something, after I get set up. Alright, YouTubers, here's where I'm at right now. I've got this laid out. I've got first outrigger here. I don't know if you can see it, but I have paint around it. What I have to do, and I got, this is the other outriggers. There's 6 of them. But anyway, I've got to dig it out so I can get like that down deep enough. I'd like to get at least a minimum of 8 inches. But as it is right now, some of these are only going to be a couple inches thick. That's not thick enough. So I'm going to have to dig them out a little and make a little mess. But that's what we're going to do. So I'll get set up and show you how I do that. So back to you later. Isn't that interesting? Where in the heck did that come from? Chain. Huh. Wow. I'll just have to see if I can yank that out of there with the backhoe. Wow. I don't even remember missing a chain, but anyway. Wow. I don't know how to get that out of there. Interesting. There's no hook on it. Where in the heck did that chain come from? Alright, let me get back to it. Okay, that's all the deeper I want to go. That's just about right on as far as 8 inches. Could be a little deeper, wouldn't hurt, but once I clean it out and scrape it, I'm not setting these yet because I haven't cut them yet, but I want to get them all dug. And then string the line across, make sure I'm centered, and we'll go from there. But okay, I got this one here is next, so I'll bring you along for Alright, everyone, and I've got my footers put in from my sawmill. One there, one there, one there, and these are where my outriggers are going to come down on. There, there, and there. And hopefully the measurements in the book were right. That's what I went off of. So everything is looking good here. Next move is to mix the concrete. Now I don't know if that concrete's any good or not. I have it laying under a tarp, but might not be any good. I'll have to buy more if it isn't. So I had 7 bags left over when I did the footings, but I hope I can at least salvage a couple bags. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I appreciate everybody watching. And I hope you come back. And got a lot more stuff going on here. This got some serious work for this backhoe, the trencher. I got to take it up to the house, and I got to dig my well, my pressure tank out of the ground. For those who don't know or haven't been following, maybe just new to the channel, but my tank went bad. It's been underground for 35 years, and it finally went bad, so I had to put another one in. I put it in the basement, but anyway, I'm going to go up and dig it up, and then that way I don't have to worry about it, because when it happened last winter, I couldn't dig the ground. It was frozen, so that's going to be my next job after I get this done here. So I'll bring you along for that, and that'll be maybe a week or so down the road. But appreciate everybody watching. Everybody have a great day.